What's up, everyone? Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to set up the custom instruction for the Claude, and you will be learning about it pretty easily in this video. So let's just dive right into the video. Just go to the settings on the bottom left hand side and click on the setting option. Here you will see a lot of menu, but the one that we are looking forward to is the capability. Over here you will see view memory, search and preferences. Once you go a little bit down, that's what she said, and you will see the code execution, domain, and everything in it. So we're just gonna go ahead and see. Just a second. Yeah, view memory and everything. You guys can add the system custom instruction, other instructions over here that will respond according to it. So make sure that you add custom system instruction in the memory manage page. Just click on the edit button and add the memory manage page, so you will be able to understand it, and the Claude will follow the instruction that you've given very easily and smoothly. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.